Understanding, pencil someone in, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to dive into a fascinating English idiom, pencil someone in. This phrase is a great example of how colorful and expressive the English language can be. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means, but also how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, pencil someone in, is an idiom used to indicate a tentative or provisional appointment or plan. Unlike penning something down, which implies a firm commitment, penciling in suggests that the arrangement is subject to change. This term is often used in a professional context, like scheduling meetings or appointments, but can also be used casually. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help in remembering their usage. The phrase, pencil someone in, comes from the practice of using pencils for plans that might change, since pencil marks can be easily erased and altered. This contrasts with using a pen, which is permanent and harder to change. This physical act became a metaphor for making tentative plans. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase. 1. Professional context. I'm not sure if I can attend the meeting on Friday, but you can pencil me in, and I'll confirm later. 2. Casual use. I might be free this weekend. Let's pencil in a coffee catch-up, and I'll let you know. 3. Inquiries. Are you available next Tuesday? Can I pencil you in for a lunch meeting? When learning idioms, it's important to know the common mistakes to avoid. With pencil someone in, remember, it's used for tentative plans, not definite ones. Don't confuse it with pen someone in, which is not a commonly used phrase. It's more appropriate for scheduling and not for general decision-making. I hope this video has shed light on the idiom, pencil someone in, and how you can use it in your conversations. Remember, idioms are a fun and engaging way to enhance your English fluency, so don't be afraid to try them out. If you found this video helpful, stay tuned for more English learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.